Right. Hakitsi. Potso ya pele ba re ho wena o simplify that problem. Ntwe tlo bolella hona wa tseba kapa ha o tsebe kapa wa understanda kapa ha o understanda so ha o tsebe. It's just that sometimes ha o understand kapa sometimes ha o khone ho utlwisisa the language this mathematics, because mathematics is bothata ba teng for rona batho ba batsho, more especially mo o ngotswe e ngolwa ka sekgowa ntwena ene jwale o fumana go sekgowa se ha o se understand because la etse ba mo se English ya bona ya government jwale ba re ho rona mo ha ona next se tlo ngola wena o complella na ke ngole because this is your revision. Or to simplify y squared minus 16 divided by 2y minus 8 divided by y plus 4 divided by 4. If something of this nature was given to you and you were told that you should simplify that, the question for now, if a problem of this nature is given unto you and the question clearly states that you should simplify.
Ki 16 man ka botse.
Ki 16.
Man ngotse 6 mos.
16. Ke bona ile 16.
Man.
Le mona ntse le 16.
Oh, ke nna se bring.
Ke 1. Wena o re mama o fumane le library ne. One of the things tse o sukudisang tse se ke di hlokometsa ke tse di sekolo mara mo. Ha o bone. O na le bothata ba mahlo bo sela sene. Ha se le hore ke bothata ba mahlo ko je bo diwet. O ko nwe bo moringa powder a no tseba tla etsang but ke nana di ka o samazang o ko je bo di fruits o je hantle and o exercise lona le a le sa hlokomelle le tlo kwala le mnyako. You need a lot of exercise. Re etsa mo ha re simplify
Go dimmi ke difference of two.
Wena re feel y plus 4 y minus 4. Okay.
Ka fatshe go ntsha common factor.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, 2.
Salaka
y minus 4. Alright, this is impressive. Division eo ke etseng?
That's multiplication.
Ke change. And then
LCD cancel. Dia cancel. Who cancel? Y plus 4.
Aje? Le A.
Minus 4.
Alright. Rasalaka 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Ayera bana beso. Okay. Are 1.2.2. 1 divide x squared minus 3x minus 4 plus 1 over 4 minus x. Jole ke etsa mo ha ke simplify. Mo teng ke etseng?
Ke tlo 1 over
ya factorize ntwe ka fatshe. Na ona le factors tsa 4 tse ka ba fang 3. Ke 4 and 1. Again? The bigger number takes the sign of the middle term. Come like the multiply, didn't feel negative, so this must be positive. And the minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Similar more the time. More, not a x minus 4, money 4 minus x. King every coming create.
Common factor negative.
Making what?
X minus 4.
Alright. Negative times x, negative times negative, positive 4. Very good. And then berere x minus 4, x plus 1, negative. Positive divided by negativity, negative. X minus 4. Alright. Then beketa, I lead you. Fraction minus fraction. Keta. Kinta LCD. Okay? Kinsa LCD I fita mo. LCD ke ntho ngwe ngwe ka fatshe mare you cannot repeat it twice. On a x minus 4, on a x minus 4, you'll only take 1.
X minus 4.
Hape on a x plus 1. And then we go to over this into this goes once. 1 you multiply by 1. Get 1. That's why we get minus. This into this goes once. This times 1 k x plus 1. Please wait till bracket so not one so negative unit to multiplier this thing. And then we remove the brackets by multiplication. Or 1 minus x minus 1, x minus 4, x plus 1. And then this and this will cancel. We'll be left with minus x into x minus 4, x plus 1 as your final answer. Okay, harere ini fair. Now, butata kibuna 1.3. A square frame drawn below encloses an area of 190 centimeters squared. Okay. First of all, is square. Do I know how to calculate the area of a square? A, get side multiply by side because in a square, all 4 sides are equal and all angles are equals to 90. To one of the properties of a square. Now they say find the length of side x. I know what area. Onewe area over the side. Utori.
Onewe area over the side.
Here an area it encloses an area of 190 centimeters squared. Joale. Utori ukweta. Ega question paper near physics. Ukweta mo utori ukweta halang guys.
Efenya 20.
Ekapa ama elemoting ega.
Na kina DJ sekolong ko boleletse.
We lebetse hape. Amen. Oui. A square frame drawn below encloses an area of 190. Re tlo etsa mo ha wa side x.
Length.
Okay, molla formula ya area or elegant side multiply by side. That's the area of a square. Again, and the value ya area is 190 centimeters squared. Elegant side multiply by side. In this case, we get x multiply by x because of the way the alphabet x. And then keep on 190 centimeters squared. Elegant x squared. Again? Right. Usually, imata it's just a number. How can you get this centimeter squared? It might you confuse it because when we put out, I can introduce a square root to create a lamb. But remember, 190 centimeters squared, there's multiplication anymore. This is the same as 190 multiplied by centimeter squared. Elegantly x squared over x. You can square everything. Okay? So that you know, let's square root is and 3. What is the square root of 190?
13.
13,78.
78.
Okay?
40.
40. Okay? Give value and 3. Now, a centimeter squared, 2 the square root they will cancel. You will be left only with centimeter. 2 and the square root will cancel. You will only be left with x. So the side x is 13.7840 centimeter. I can say if it's a sense, it's making a lot of sense. Right, Aunata, Bebari 1.3.2. That answer, if money ya x, is it rational or is it irrational? This number ya 13.7840, is it rational or is it irrational? Rational and irrational. So this number is what? Rational, irrational?
Rational.
It's rational. A rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction. Can we write this number as a fraction? No. Therefore, it is irrational. the square root of 190 is irrational. Why? Because it's not a perfect square. Simple. Right. That was questionnaire 1.2.1 until 1.3.2. We are fine with that. At the posted a video telling us the available ka di group ka di folding grade 10 maths science easy. You'll go and look into that. Huh? Aka YouTube. The video se ke posting. Right. Ha ke tsebe ga hantle. Re etsang ra ngola ra shoota re etsang. Ke phumula. Ke phumula. All right. Ha ona taba. Nthuse he. Nthuse. 2.1. Ke kopa thuso. Ya 2.1. 2.1 mono bari 15 exponent x times 3 1 minus x divided by 5 exponent x. Simplify. What you simplify into it. Usually need to kopa thuso.
It was 15. Wow, good 15. It was 3 multiplied by 5.
By 5, again. It implies 3 times 5 and they are raised to exponent x, again. Times, there's nothing we can do there, that's fine. There's nothing we can also do there. But I know that when I multiply x by every exponent. Immediately fail ha ke le mo sentse ke bona le pele ke ya kae engwe ka hodimo engwe ka fatshe ne there's multiplication. Alright, and then when I multiply numbers of the same basis I add the exponents. Can I 3 plus 1 minus x again? When you go once, the answer Kiona 3. Okay? And then we are more than fine. This is a preparation for test year how your weekend. Right, how na job? 2.2.1 solve for x. 2 exponent x equals 0.25. Okay, it's angular. Solve for x, 2 exponent x equals 0.25. Ki muka yeta mo.
It's a fraction.
A mo. Alright. 2 exponent x.
1 over 4.
Okay?
1 over 4.
1 over 4. Very good. And then from there.
What are 1 over 4 over time to the exponent of negative 1.
2 exponent x kimole.
4 exponent negative 1.
Negative 1. Very good. And then from there. Kamila kumole 4 ka base ya 2. Okay? Verify
2 x.
Okay? 42 squared. Multiply with negative 1. And then from there you multiply. Okay? You want only 2 minus 2. When the bases are the same, you equate.
The exponent.
Okay? Okay. 2.2.2 5 3x equals 5. Good way it's annual. More jolly rates are here. You could papa or fit a play. Rates are. Unale 5 figure. Unale 5 figure. Over to 5 waiter.
But out of 5.
Hey, come here to say 5 here. Because about an x. Remember how to solve for x. Rates are about to 5 here. Will it take a multiple?
Multiply.
Icon, no, we can multiply. Ra divide both sides ka 5. So that ngwanona they will cancel. In fact, we say they go once into each other. The answer is 1. But I know anything to exponent 0, the answer is 1. So ke lo sebedisa molao wono, 3 to power 0. And then when the bases are the same, I will equate. Ke ntho tsa bo grade 8 tse. Maths wa grade 8. So ke tsena di tla grade 10 ma hantle ke grade 8. Kore ke ntonyana tsa grade 8 because ke na le bana ka tseba ke ba ruta bana ba. So I know problem tse ke tsa grade 8. Right, let's say in a nutshell we understand exactly what transpires. Right. Before we can go to any problems in physics, let's try to solve simultaneously. Key raise it so that we can see the question paper. Unfortunately, we will have to revise with any question paper that we can have. Right, solve simultaneously for x and y, so that at the end of the day, we understand the simultaneous. X plus 2y equals 11, and 2x minus 3y equals minus 6. So, mutuha kala munu akari.
Why the subject of the formula?
Wena otokhetha wetsa?
Why the subject of the formula?
Emathata how yetsa why the subject of the formula in this equation, because the coefficient ya y ke bokae ke 2. Emathata o tlamehile o yetse something the subject of the formula where the coefficient of that number, that alphabet in 1. So which one can you make the subject of the formula? X. Okay? So we will say x equals 11 minus 2y. We will say this is 3, this is 1, we will say this is 2. So about the second step, I need to substitute this more. Okay? X decimal. So I'm going to say that I will substitute 3 in 2. 2x minus 3y equals minus 6. Now more, how about x that value? 2, 11 minus 2y minus 3y equals minus 6. No. And then this will give us 22 minus 4y minus 3y equals minus 6. Okay, in the like terms, you come from minus 7y, isakamani iba minus 6 minus 22 in from minus 28. Okay? And then I divide by minus 7 because kibata y, and then my y becomes positive 7, 21, 4. Okay? And then now this will be my equation 4. And then from there I will substitute 4 in 3. 3 x is 11 minus 2y. Mona mo ke bonang y ke kenya bokae 4. 11 minus 2 into 4, 11 minus 8. And then if we want that value of 3. It's a very hand. It's a very hand. Only
Method 2.
A.
Just matter as elimination.
Okay.
A.
Only x plus 2y equals 11 and 2x minus 3y equals minus 6. So harere x plus 2y equals 11, 2x minus 3y equals minus 6. Let's try to eliminate. Let us try to eliminate and see whether this is going to work. If you want to eliminate more, what must happen? Alright, equation 1 ka bokae? How multiply ka 2 over 4 mo? And I bona y ya hao ke 3. How multiply ka 3 mona e tlo fa 6? How multiply ka 2 mona e tlo fa 6? Therefore you can eliminate y. Ek se bila ba re hand.
Ga go eliminate that. X.
Re qale ka x. How multiply ka 2 ka mo? A. So re multiply ka 2 ka mo be re multiply ka bokae?
Multiply.
Let's go multiply ka mo. Okay. Ha re multiply ka 2. Re be re fumana re multiply only this 2x plus 4y equals 22. It's a hand. Now this becomes our equation 1. Renale 2x minus 3y equals minus 6. Jesus. Then what are we going to do here? 2 subtract 1 ka 1 subtract 2. Which one do you prefer?
Add.
How add bona to fa 4x. How add it over plus y. My one I matter. That is why I can we eliminate x. That's why I can have a subtract. Subtract equation 1 who 2 kapa 2 1.
1 2.
Let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So come on, kilomka subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So whatever the way that one. In fact, let's not say this. Because this is bigger and this is smaller in terms of the values of y and in terms of the constants. 2x ina minus 2x ina rere plus 4y ina minus into minus 3y. Rere into ina eleganally 22 minus into minus 6 because we are subtracting. Okay. Unit over 0 plus 4y plus 3y 22 plus 6. Jesus, my father. 7y equals 28. Y equals 3. Now, sorry man, 4. I get here. Keep guy 4. I get one is my father. Right. As again y, I can substitute in any of those equations. Then it will give me the corresponding y value. So come on, Jama, carry 2 into 2x minus 3 into 4 equals minus 6. Carry 2x minus 6 equals minus 6. Carry 2x equals minus 6 plus 6. Carry 2x equals 0. Carry x equals 0. This is elimination.
X.
What money x in the
3. That's right.
I born again, born into 6. I off to guy 12. Askis. Oh, Kente pause. Askis, Kente pause. Keep going into 6 again. Minus 6 plus 12, okay? 6. X is gonna lay 3. Askis, Kente pause. I'm very sorry. Kite 3 times 4. They give 3 times 2. Askis 3 times 4, okay? 12. Key elimination. Only Kramer's rule, but that is for university individuals. I don't think it is acceptable for the grade 10s. But someday, how like YouTube put I wanna folder Kramer's rule. We can solve a system of linear equations using Kramer's rule, where we don't only have 2 equations, we can have 3, we can have 4, we can have 5, and then we can use the Kramer's rule and many other methods that are made available. Similar to elimination. I want to easy yan. Right. How na taba? Kapumu. How na taba? Batswadi. How na taba? The last question. This one, I think it will try to flex your muscles. But if x3 plus 5x minus 2 squared, x3 minus 5x minus 3 squared plus a. Baba find a. A. But when I find the value of a, and 4 marks are provided for this. X cubed plus 5x minus 3 all squared equals x this minus this all squared plus a. Find the value of a, and a 4 mark is provided for that. How on earth will we find a, Batu? How on earth? How on earth will we ever find a?
Let's ponder. Let's ponder.
Let's expand. O tlo bona have expand. O tlo fumana bo x6 and what? Le ka mona o tlo fumana bo x6 and what? But it's fine. Let's try to expand and see if it will work. I get it? Okay. X6 plus 5x minus 3 plus 3, because when I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponents. Plus 5x minus 3 plus 3, plus 25x minus 3 is minus 6 equal the same thing, x6 minus 5x 3 minus 3 again, and then I come down minus 5x minus 3 plus 3, and then plus 25x minus 6, because minus 3 can minus 6. Right, hagale hand. Arabono tayo alang x6 skala balaganale plus a. Okay? And then ang renale, this is the same as 0. Okay? So come on to mang unale plus 5x to power 0. Okay? Plus 5x to power 0. Plus 25x minus 6, x6 minus 5x 0 again, minus 5x 0 again, plus 25x minus 6 plus a. Okay, anything to power 0, the answer is 1. So come on, Jomang kanale x6 kanale 5 plus 5 again, 10. Because mono is the same as just 1. And 1 times 5 again 5. And 5 plus 5 again 10. Plus 25x minus 6. So Leena is the same as x6 minus 5, which is minus 10. Plus 25x minus 6 plus a. Again, I can take everything to that side because a. Again, I can say x6 plus 10 plus 25x minus 6 minus x6 plus 10 minus 25x minus 6 equals a. Again, or positive or negative. o positive o negative. 10 plus 10 ke 20. Now on an CD icon equals the value of A. Luna, le hantle. Ina bae, tsa tsheka tse re etsa lo wena ngwanesi ke go fumana A. Gore A ke that value. Right. Why copper? O tshotla e bona o le mong. So ditse o le mong. O tshotla e bona. Ga o tsa go. Le teng mo tla e bona video mo ntse sena bothata. Choice ke ya hao. There's more than one tool. Level stakile o tla utlwa go mona ona le tjena at least tla o fa nthonyane e phelang tla o fa nthonyane e phelang. Right, re ntse that question paper ya physics ya 2018 ke nako mang? 11:42. Unfortunately o tlo gona solve ka ofela. We will see what we can do.
This should be
Ah,
2019.
eh,
2019, 2018.
ai le yona mara ke a kganya na.
2019.
Ai.
2019.
Tlo le question paper eno ya physics o sane.
Lona la di fuwa sekolo. Ke nkile nna.
Tlo le yona.
Paper 2 ya metsena la. So. Ate ka dole qeta.
I can share this problem ya electrostatic. In fact, ne ke batle re ho tsona bo di electromagnetic wave itse. But ha mo shebe enana ya electrostatic.
Musuwe. Ya ndi ya graph ya le re itse go to bontsha yona math. Ya ke math ka be physics. Ke math.
O tlo ka le re ke maths.
Ke math amplitude. Little. Kana ni hlile.
A ke physics.
Ke math.
Oh, ke maths. E ka e problem e yo ngwana.
Ke sa problem. Ina hlile la speed. Get graph.
Oh, trigonometric graphs. Yes, le lona.
Ma rona re ntse. Le yentse sekolo. Jo, rona re etsa sekolo. Physics.